Hey guys, what's up? It's Redneck Hustlers Club. So today's idea was to go buy a used power washer off of Facebook Marketplace and go make some money. So we paid $100 for this Rowley power washer used. Works great, no issues. So we went to a senior trailer park today. It had about 60 trailers in the park. We went door to door asking for power washing, and we got 3 successful jobs. The total of all 3 jobs ended up being, we had $80 and $100 jobs, so it's $260. Puts us $160 ahead. So after this is paid for, if you did this 5 days a week, you could easily make $1,000 a week. All we did is go door to door. Within, I think, the first 5 trailers we knocked on, we had our first job. We tend to charge between $80 and $150 for power washing, depending on the size, the condition, how dirty it is. If you don't know how to power wash, there's tons of YouTube videos. There is some stuff you got to look out for. You got to be kind of careful. You can cause damage to people's property, homes, decks. These things can be very powerful. They can remove paint, they can crack windows, they can do all kinds of different stuff. So definitely watch a video, but this is something, male or female. If you need to make some money real quick, you can go out and buy a power washer and be making money the same day. For more ideas on how to make money with little to no money up front, please stay tuned. And if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, guys. It's totally free and it really helps the channel. God bless.